Hi everyone, I'm back with another video on the topic consciousness. Consciousness is the fragment of divinity present in every living entity. Consciousness means to be aware of things, and we see each and every living entity to be aware of things in different degrees. For example, an animal does not have a consciousness as evolved as human beings. In fact, human beings have the most evolved and the highest degree of consciousness in entire universe. I'll begin with the example of a dog. A dog is an animal that cannot be conscious of things beyond his eating, sleeping, mating and defending. But human beings, they have a lot to be conscious of. A human being can be conscious of the score of the match going on between India and New Zealand. They can also be conscious of the political conditions of their country. They can be conscious of international issues. They can be conscious of their own mental conditions, another person's mental conditions. They can be conscious of the long-term and the short-term purposes of their life. They can be conscious of the consequences of their activities. But the irony is, though the human beings, they have the most evolved consciousness, yet most of the time they act subconsciously. Instead of acting consciously, they act subconsciously. Acting subconsciously means to be reactive. And acting consciously means to press a pause and respond in a positive way. I'll explain this with an example. Say I have a colleague who comes up to me and he starts abusing me. And as a reaction, I'll get angry. I'll search out the worst word that I know in my vocabulary and I'll employ those words. Or I can hit that person with a blow on his nose. Or if I choose to act consciously, if I choose to respond considering all my purposes, my feelings and another person's feeling in consideration, I'll pause. I'll ask him, wait a second, have I really hurt you in some ways? I'm really sorry if I have done this. Please let me know how can we sort things out between us. This would save a relationship. A colleague is a person whom you may have to meet every day. You'll have to face him every day. Spoiling a relation just because you got angry, just because your subconscious made you angry, is not at all something recommended. Now the question is, how do we act consciously most of the time? The answer is simple. To act consciously most of the time, you have to practice being conscious most of the time. And the best practice I know for being conscious is meditation. I won't be talking about meditation in this video, but you can begin right away. You can begin practicing being conscious right away in different things while eating. Consciously eat what you are eating. Consciously breathe. Consciously talk with people. Always try to remember the purpose that you have in your life, in your professional life, in your personal life. And this is the basic and the initial steps to be taken to start becoming conscious. And I'm sure that this small step will change things drastically in your life. And I'll definitely be talking about meditation in another video. Thank you so much.